Birds, written by Julie Murray. Birds. Birds make great family pets. Many birds have bright colors. Mia holds her parrot. Some birds can say words. Leo listens to his parakeet. Some birds can't live alone. Lovebirds live in pairs. Birds need a large cage. It has to be kept clean. Birds need food. They need water. Birds need a place to sit. Wooden sticks work well. They need toys. They like bells, ladders, and swings. Is a bird the right pet for your family? Bird supplies, bird cage, mirror, bird food, swinging perch. Glossary: bright, having a very light and strong color. Pair, a set or two of something.